हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय स्टडी चैनल जमकर करो पढ़ाई। गाइस, मैं लुब्रिकेंट आपको पढ़ा चुका हूँ। व्हाट इज लुब्रिकेंट? लुब्रिकेंट इज अ फिल्म ऑफ कूलिंग मीडियम विद हाई विस्कोसिटी। ओके, a film of cooling medium with high viscosity is applied between the two mating parts, which is known as a lubricant. A lubricant is a substance having an oily property available in the form of fluid. Property available in the form of fluid, semi-fluid or solid state. Okay, it is a lifeblood of the machine. Okay, lubricant is a lifeblood of the machine. Lubricant is a lifeblood होता है of the machine. It saves the machine and its parts from corrosion, wear and tear also. Okay, purpose of using lubricants: it cools the moving elements, it aids in distributing the loads, it improves the machine efficiency, reduces friction, and it also prevents corrosion, wear and tear also. Okay, अब बात करते हैं पर्पस, प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ लुब्रिकेंट्स। ओके, पर्पस हो गया, अब बात करेंगे प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ लुब्रिकेंट्स। ओके, प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ लुब्रिकेंट्स, देयर आर मेनी प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ लुब्रिकेंट्स। लाइक आपका हो गया ऑयलीनेस, ओके, ऑयलीनेस। व्हाट इज ऑयलीनेस? द ऑयलीनेस टर्म्स रिलेट्स टू अ लुब्रिकेंट, the oiliness terms relates to a lubricant tendency to wet and adhere to a surface in which thin layer of oil film is formed between two moving parts. Okay, the oiliness terms relates to a lubricant tendency to wet and adhere to a surface in which thin layer of oil film is formed between two moving parts. Okay, so surface remains oily. The next property is viscosity. The viscosity is a measurement. The viscosity is a measurement of the internal resistance of a lubricant. The viscosity is a measurement of the internal resistance of a lubricant. Okay, viscosity is a measurement of the internal resistance of a lubricant. Okay, so high viscosity and low viscosity. How we know the viscosity is high or low? So guys, heavy oil has high viscosity, and light oil has low viscosity. honey यानी शहद, heavy oil. Okay, honey is a heavy oil and water is a light oil. Okay, the flow of liquid. Okay, heavy oil is a high viscosity and light oil has a low viscosity. Okay, third one is flash point. Properties of lubricants: oiliness, viscosity, flash point in which temperature a lubricant converts into steam. Okay, the flash point is the temperature at which a lubricant converts into steam. A lubricant convert into steam. Okay, flash point in which lubricant converts into steam. Pour point. The pour point of a lubricant is the lowest temperature. Okay, the pour point of a lubricant is the lowest temperature at which an oil will flow its container. An oil will flow its container. Okay, the pour point of a lubricant is the lowest temperature at which an oil will flow from its container. Okay, oxidation. Okay, the oxidation reduces the flow of oil when lubricant contact with hot air. The oxidation reduces the flow of oil. Okay, flow of oil. The oxidation reduces the flow of oil when lubricant contact with hot air. The oxidation reduces the flow of oil when lubricant contact with hot air. Classification of lubricants: liquid, solid, semi-solid. Classification of lubricants या states of lubricants: liquid, solid, semi-solid. Liquid mineral oils generally find in the liquid form. Mineral oil. What is mineral oil? It is a substance of petroleum. Organic oil. Okay, organic oil, it is a substance of the animals, vegetables and fishes. Okay, solid lubricants: graphite, which is used in pencils. Okay, semi-solid आपका grease. Okay, machine parts, it is basically used in machine parts. Now advantages of lubricant. It increase the working capacity of machine. Okay, for increase the working capacity of machine. So lubricant क्या करता है आपका? It increase the working capacity of machine. Okay, it increase the working capacity of machines. It protects the machine from rust. Protect the machine from rust. धूल मिट्टी से बचाता है. Okay, lubricant increase the life of energy. Increase the life of energy. Okay, lubricant increases the life of energy. It helps to machine run fast. Okay, and smoothly. Okay guys, these are advantages of lubricants. Advantage of lubricants: it increase the working capacity of the machines. It protects the machine from rust. Lubricant increases the life of energy. It carry away contaminant debris. It helps to machine run fast and smoothly. Okay. So classification of lubricants: liquid, solid, semi-solid. Liquid, mineral oils, organic oil in the form of liquid form. Okay. Solid, graphite is a solid. Semi-solid, आपका grease. Okay. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you.